Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Rosita. Today I am unboxing this big package from Temu. These are some fence screens and I had them for a while, but the weather has been so horrible that I haven't been able to install them on the fences, but it's a little less sunshine today, but it didn't rain yesterday, so it's dry. So I am gonna see if I can install these today. I did some weeding along the fence, and I want to put these up before the weeds grow back. So this order was, I think it was $30 as usual. I will put it in on the screen. And these are two different sizes. I will be posting a video of me installing these, so subscribe, hit the like button, comment your thoughts. And this was one order, but this is how they sent them. They didn't put them in a box. This was a local seller on Temu. So it would be like I have 6 packages, but in fact this is just one order. We just tape them together. I'm guessing these are the bigger ones, and some of these weren't in great condition. I just noticed that one of them was rough. I saw it. But anyway, I am going to use the smaller ones. I think I got 3 small ones and 3 big ones. Can't remember the sizes. So I'm hoping all of them are the right colors, because I don't want mix and match and screen. Just material. So I got the brown because it was cheaper, and I think these might be vacuum sealed. Oh, what I wanted to know is if these came with the tie straps. I'm not sure if they came with, I don't think they came with the tie straps, that's why they were so cheap. But I had some that came with those box with thingies. Oh, this is what they came with. They didn't come with the tie straps. They came with these. These are soft. These strings. This is what they came with. I'm not sure how long these will hold up, but I guess they can work. Is this one thing or a few different pieces? I have no idea. I'm hoping. I don't know what the hell this is. I think this is one long thing. It's a long, yeah, it's just one long cord. Why would you walk here? And oh boy, this is not, I don't think this is what I wanted. This one, I think this is the 5x10 or 5x7, and you can see through it. It's not, they are vacuum sealed. Just getting into them and see if they're the same colors. Those are the smaller ones. These are the bigger ones. The bigger ones I think these are the same. rest of them. I don't think this is gonna last very long, but I'm gonna use it anyways. It was cheap. It will get the job done for the time being. So for the price, I think it's